Here are the solutions for our exercises converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. Problem number 1, 27 over 23, and these are the choices. This is the solution. Okay, so first you get the whole number by dividing the numerator and the denominator, and then to get the new numerator, subtract the old numerator by the product of the whole number and the denominator. And for the denominator, just copy the old denominator. Our answer is 1 and 4 over 23, and that is letter D. Now, if you will be taking the let, you need to maximize your time. So you can have a shortcut using your calculator if this will be the problem, if converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. What you need to do is that you will type 27 on your calculator. So just type 27 and then press the key A, the fraction key A and B over C. This is the fraction key. So 27, which is the numerator, the A and B are the fraction key, and then the denominator 23 and the equal sign. Once you press the equal sign, this improper fraction will be converted to mixed numbers, and you will get the answer in an instant. Problem number 2, 305 all over 80. These are the choices. And again, the same solution to find for the whole number, divide the numerator and the denominator, and the same step involved in finding the new numerator. And this is not the final answer, 65 over 80, because this can still be simplified. That's why the final answer is 3 and 13 over 16. Okay, let's go here to the shortcut using the calculator. So you will just type, in your calculator you will type or press 305, which is the numerator, and then press the fraction key, which is A, B over C. This can be found on your calculator keys, and then the denominator, which is 80, and the equal sign. That is the shortcut using the calculator. So if I were you, I would use this shortcut method in converting improper fractions to mixed numbers during your LET exams. Problem number 3, the same, rather a new problem, 1420 all over 35. These are the choices and the same steps. So divide the old numerator by the old denominator to get the whole number, and same step involved in finding the new numerator. For the new denominator, just copy the old one. This is not the final answer because this can still be simplified, 20 and 35. The final answer is 40 and 4 over 7. Again, let's proceed here to using the calculator for a shortcut. So you just type So you just type on your calculator, you type or press the numerator, which is 1420, and then the fraction key A, B over C, and then the denominator, which is 35, and the equal sign. This is the shortcut key using your calculator. Number 5, 876 divided by all over 36. These are the choices, and here is our solution. Our final answer is 24 and 1/3. And let's proceed to your shortcut using your calculator. So again, you type the numerator, which is 876, and then you press the fraction key A, B over C, and then type the denominator, which is 36, and the equal sign. Again, this is the shortcut using your calcu. Number 5, okay, wait, number 5, 99 over 15. Our final answer here is 6 and 3 over 5, or letter B. And for the shortcut, you just type the numerator, which is 99, the fraction key, which is A and B over C, and the denominator, which is 15, and the equal sign. For number 6, we have 512 over 57. Our final answer is 8 and 56 over 57, or letter A. And for the shortcut, again, just type the numerator, which is 512, and then you press the fraction key, which is A, B over C, and then the denominator, which is 57, and the equal sign. And then for number 7, 19 over 9, our final answer is 2 and 1 over 9. For the shortcut, okay, so the final answer here is letter C. You just type the numerator, which is 19, the fraction key, which is A and B over C, and then the denominator, which is 9, and the equal sign. And for number 8, 37 over 12, the final answer is 3 and 1 over 12, or letter D. And for the shortcut key, again, type the numerator and then press the fraction key, A, B over C, and then the denominator, which is 12, and the equal sign. So these are the long process and the shortcut process involved in solving all our problems.